ReadyLIFT is excited to offer a new 3.5-inch SST Lift Kit for the second generation Colorado Canyon trucks. This new bolt-on lift kit fits the 2015 to current model trucks and creates clearance for larger aftermarket wheels and tires while establishing the perfect stance and look. Even better, this new lift kit retains a factory ride both on and off-road. The 6935/35 3.5-inch SST Lift Kit comes with everything you need to get the job done right. New heavy-duty DOM tube steel upper control arm assures proper alignment and pivot angles, and each arm includes our new TCT maintenance-free pivot bushings. Front lift is achieved with our proprietary CNC billet aluminum top hat replacement strut extensions. We also include important differential drop spacers for ideal CV axle operating angles, as well as fabricated steel sway bar drop brackets to retain the factory handling qualities. To lift the rear, this kit includes factory-style 1-inch tall cast iron lift blocks with new, longer U-bolts. The ReadyLIFT 3.5-inch lift kit is a great choice if you want to install up to a 32.5-inch tall tire, such as these 285/70/17s on an XD Addict II wheels with a +18 offset. If you are ready to take your Colorado or Canyon to the next level, ReadyLIFT's new 3.5-inch SST lift kit is the perfect choice that creates a bold look and taller stance. As always, if you want to learn more about this exciting new kit, please check out www.readylift.com. Thanks for watching.